Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Care. In this, I'm going to compare the Ultra Game Mode features comparison between the Origin OS versus FunTouch OS. As you can see friends, right now I do have the two different kind of OS at this moment in the iQOO Neo 6 device. So this is a Chinese variant of the iQOO Neo 6 and this is the Indian version of the iQOO Neo 6. So that's the reason you're trying to see this kind of different process and with a different UI as well. You can see FunTouch UI versus this Origin UI. But in this video, let's concentrate only on the game features. So what are the Ultra Game Mode features you can actually expect between these both UIs, between these both phones? So that's what this main video is all about. So you can actually find the Ultra Game Mode features in the settings option if we try to go there. So first let's explore between these both phones. What are the options you can actually see side by side, as you can see. So we are getting exactly similar kind of options friends between these both mobile phones. Between these both UIs, as you can see. So game display enhancement and 4D vibrations, it's present. And another thing which is slightly changed is regarding the screen light filters, which is present at this moment. So apart from that, I did not see any kind of major difference. Even there is a game frame interpolation also, which is present in this Origin OS, and even the frame rate priority is also there, as you can see between these both UIs at this moment. Frame rate priority, where you can actually enable them if you want to have this kind of stable frame rates, and game countdown, that's slightly another thing which has been here, and game company as well, as you can see. So this also present here, and game quality and sound effects, which is also present between these both phones exactly. Now let's move into the games. Let's open the game and let's see the animation of this both UIs. You can see the Ultra Game Mode, how it's getting boosted between these both phones. So it has its own different way of animation for the boosting, and this is the look at the Origin OS. As you can see, this is how the interface will be there in the Origin UI, as you can see here, Origin OS. So that's what I'm going to compare in this video friends, exactly Origin UI versus FunTouch UI. So you can definitely see here the difference. So even there is no real-time FPS meter even in this Origin OS as well. Still I cannot see any kind of real-time FPS meter. So on the first, you do get this kind of performance panel, game tools and small system windows, so where you can actually enable them. As you can see, it's kind of neatly organized. And in this FunTouch UI, so let me show you. So these are the options you will be getting in the FunTouch UI. Everything is in one place, as you can see friends. Now so let's go to the performance panel, and you can see the performance panel, we are getting exactly same indications right on the top, but additionally you are getting few options like mobile data you can actually activate and Wi-Fi at same time, but right now I don't have the SIM card. But anyway, even the refresh rate you can actually select, so 60 Hz or 120 Hz, which refresh rate you want to use. So these two are slightly kind of additional options which are present in this Origin UI at this moment. And next thing is about the game tools. So in the game tools, you should be able to see voice changer, which is present, 4D vibrations, we don't know, background calls and disable, and orientation lock, live streaming assistant is there slightly with that option, and which is not enabled at this moment I think. But anyway, game mirroring, which is a casting of the phone, is also present, or the laptop to the computer also you can actually cast. And next is regarding the peripheral settings, which if you use any kind of controllers you can actually activate them, and lock brightness and pressure sensitive screen. So which the right now this device which didn't have any kind of pressure sensitive screen, but this phone has got the pressure sensitive screen. That's the reason there is an option for that one as well. And next is regarding the, yeah, that's it, display settings and everything is pretty same, nothing much huge difference, right? So couple of options have been added, but there is nothing significant difference. I did not find like huge advantage and huge change. So I wish the iQOO could have included some kind of real-time FPS meter, or maybe floating FPS meter. That will be really great to see between these both phones. Right now we do have this eagle eye view, and which is also called as game display enhancement. This will slightly kind of enhance the display. Not only that, you can actually use the game filters. You can actually customize the game filters, different old movie type. As you can see in the background, you can see how it's kind of changing in the background, bright and soft and vivid. You can use the custom mode as well, and you can do whatever you want, like you can increase the brightness and everything. As you can see, how the brightness is increasing. You can increase the contrast as well. It's up to you to decide what type of color temperatures you want as well. So let's go back. So this is how the game display and enhancement will be there in this device. So let me disable this option and go back. So there will be another option. Let's enable this game, image quality tuning, which is also available here, which will automatically enhance. So that's it, friends. These are the quick Origin OS versus FunTouch UI. What are the differences you can actually see regarding the game features only I have compared, but there are tons of other features which the similarities can be there and the difference can be there between these both UIs. But definitely nothing much huge difference I have found here, as you can see here. So if you try to tap on the 4D vibrations as well, you get the same options. Even if you tap in the Virgin OS, you get the same options, like same. As you can see, nothing much huge. Even here I cannot see, like there's another option, I think damage. Let me try to see. Yes, there is another option which is called the damage feedback. So depending upon the enemy damage, you will get the haptic feedback as well if you try to enable this option. That's also present in this UI. That's kind of pretty interesting thing to see. And voice changes, let's check out what are the voice changes. Okay, uncle and girl voice, little boy voice, lady, cute lady, magnetic and sweet. So there's a few options which we do have regarding the voice changes. And let's check in the FunTouch UI, what are the voice changes we do have here. So we're having the artificial intelligence commander, cowboy child, that's it. I think this is really interesting in this Origin OS, which is really good regarding the voice changes, which I did see plenty of good options here. You can definitely see here, friends, in this Origin OS. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. I think I did cover most of the parts in this video. Apart from this, there's nothing much huge difference we can actually see between these both phones anyway. You can see in the monster mode how it's kind of reacting. Same thing happens in the normal FunTouch UI as well. You can see. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching a straight of more updates, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to check out the links and playlist videos in case if you're interested. So make sure to watch the playlist videos for more understanding for the both process. Definitely this is a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, friends, which I'm trying to use, and this is my only Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor which I'm having right now. So this is a Chinese variant of the iQOO Neo 6 device. So meanwhile, signing off until instead of more updates. Until then, bye.